Hi guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. It is whatever Wednesday. Probably won't be a very long video. I just have, look, you guys, I have notes. Oh, you know you're in trouble. And I get to do what I want today. You get to do what you want today, but remember, there's only one rule. Nothing illegal. Please. Okay, on my face, for the most part, is the Natasha Denona Hyper Natural Face Palette. This is my second time trying it, and for the most part, I stand by what I said originally. I still think that these are too small. I had to use all of them. I just, around with the brush, and it works. These are a little bit bigger, so I mean, if you have a smaller brush, you could, potentially do them separately, but again, I just swished it around and got what I got. As far as these down here, this time when I used them, instead of using my finger on all of them, I used a brush. Specifically, where is it? A Persona brush. Because this is a very good, just like eyeshadow, and yeah, it worked. However, when I got to the main shade here, I did try and use my finger, but I ended up using the brush again. I do not, this is the one that I still, and this is how I stood up the first time I used it. If I had used it before I bought it, I would not repurchase. I would not purchase it. I just, I don't know. For me, it's too problematic. So that's my opinion. I'm not upset at the way I look today, but I did add a few things, which I'm sorry, but I will, they'll be everything is going to be in the description box down below. Okay, I have 3 videos, I think, to go back on my comments. Don't worry, I will get to them. Life has been happening, as it is with everybody, so, but I'll get to them, don't worry. Then, I'm going to have to rethink and redo Mondays, because it's just not in my nature to, give you guys what I would say is a bad eye look. Y'all are more than welcome to tell me if you don't like it, but, so, I don't know how, going forward, I would do it without, I literally already had 2 more waiting to do that are palettes that are problematic for me, but I would end up, I know a lot more now than I knew when I got these, and I think that's the problem. So what I'm probably going to end up doing with the 2 that I already had pulled is do them off camera, and unless you want me to do them on camera and tell you that I had problems with them and just see what comes up. I can tell you one of them, because it's Melt Cosmetics Millennial Pinks. I've had problems with that since I got it, and Melt is one of my favorite. It's in the top 5. If you've been here a while, y'all know that. But y'all can tell me if you want me to do it on camera. I'm more than happy to. What was the other one? I put them away. I can't think of it offhand. The Millennial Pinks always sticks in my head, because it was one that I got from Melt that did not agree with me. I don't know why. Let's see. So we're gonna have if y'all have an idea about what we can do on Mondays, I am open. Please leave me comments. I'm open for all of it. Do you want to see me do the declutter of my palettes? Because I started, but I mean, I only have 3 palettes right now. I just couldn't fit it into what was going on around here. If you want to see it, I need people telling me you do. It's probably going to have to be in 2 parts because I have an A-load of palettes. Like, I know it's over 100. I just really don't know how many. The Sephora sale starts April 5th. I went through last night and put a bunch of stuff in my basket. Do you guys want to know what it is or not? Because I can tell you. Just let me know. Then, have you guys seen the new e.l.f. skeleton makeup? And it pops up every time that I've gone into e.l.f. to check and see what what's going on. What does anyone know how that started? What it's about? I don't get it. They have a kit, I guess, that's you can make yourself up to look like skeleton. I don't know. I don't know. And then also, would you like me to do a video series, maybe once a month? I don't know, but products that I'm loving, because I do know that I've seen a couple people do that, and I know I'm not one to follow what other people do, but I do watch those because you can get ideas for some things that you might like by seeing them. So that to me is, a good one. You're not going to believe this, but that's it. I don't have anything more on my list. That's why I don't normally do this, but if I hadn't written this down, you guys know I wouldn't have remembered anything. I would have been sitting here just going, okay, this is it. Yeah. Okay, so everything will be in the description box down below, and that is it. Please leave the comments on what I've talked about today, because it helps. My little brain can't. I'm just I'm struggling. Okay, guys, wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care. Have some fun, but stay safe. Watch your surroundings. You guys know. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.